Talk. World Tech and Innovation. Hello, and welcome back to TWTAI. We will be talking about 5 of the top 20 electric motorcycles. We want to get all 20 in because the video will be too long and we wouldn't want to bore you motorcycles enthusiasts with such exciting subjects. Well, some of us are old enough to remember the old classics like Kokomo motorcycle. That was briefly introduced in the 1900s. By 1911, a man named Stanley Shaw purchased the company, but by 1912 through 1920 he made what is known as the Kokomo Shaw Motorcycle Company. After the 20s, he focused more on tractors and sold the company in 1962 to what is now John Deere. Throughout the years, motorcycles have changed significantly from motorcycles that ran on gasoline-powered motors to electric-powered motors, and here are the 5 of the top 20 on the list. Number 1. The 2020 Harley-Davidson Livewire. Harley-Davidson continues its carefully measured release of information about its Livewire electric motorcycle. A few facts at the time. This time the information is coincident with the Livewire's appearance at the Geneva Auto Show. According to Harley, it has tested the performance of a Livewire in production trim and can assert a 0 to 60 mph time of 3.0 seconds and a 60 to 80 mph roll-on time of 1.9 seconds. That roll-on time is one of the quickest among motorcycles, spanking non-electric, including a Suzuki Hayabusa or a Triumph Rocket 3. This shows the benefit of electric motors' instant, constant torque, and gearbox-less drive, much as Tesla performance models out-accelerate all but the most radical internal combustion-powered hypercars. Similarly, the motor company can confirm a 140-mile city range and 88 miles of combined city and 70 mph highway range when tested to mic test standards. While it's still not giving battery size, this implies the unit is somewhat smaller than the 12.6 kilowatt-hours of the Zero SR/F, which manages 82 miles on the same 70 mph mic test, without the benefit of averaging in the mic city range. Number 2. 2021 Energica ES9 Plus with range 250 miles, city 112 miles, highway 143 miles, combined city highway. Although Energica offers several iterations of the EVA model, we chose the ES9 Plus for its real-world approachability. Sure, the sleek Ego tops out at 150 miles per hour, and the RS versions can pull 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds, but because the ES9 Plus brings a neo-retro styling, the ergos are more relaxed, with an upright riding position that won't break your back on a commute. You can still rip it up to 125 miles per hour, but it can also be fitted with a pair of Energica's optional sport touring panniers and tank bag to take better advantage of the 143-mile range. The ES9 Plus configuration gets you a pack motor capable of 109 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque, along with a 21.5 kilowatt-hours battery pack, fast charge capability, switchable ABS, and 4 riding modes. As with the other Energies, EVA's battery, inverter, charger, and ABS are managed by a vehicle control unit, VCU, with a 4.3-inch color display giving you all the numbers, including built-in GPS. Standard on all Energicas is a 24 kilowatts DC CCS combo fast charger AC charger that in mode 4 will supposedly get to an 80% state of charge in just 40 minutes. If you like TWTAI content, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic videos. Number 3. 2020 Zero SR. A slim front fender rides in between an inverted fork, with a single headlight up top packing 4 high-low LED projectors with LED daytime running light strips on either side. Standard issue zero-turn signals spring from a small fly screen that perches atop the headstock to keep it all looking clean. The huge amply thin ZF 14.4 lithium-ion battery is a stressed member and takes up most of the SRF's real estate, lurking behind the steel trellis frame where we internal combustion types would expect the engine to be, while the radial fin Z-Force 75-10 air-cooled motor tucks in behind it. A cast aluminum subframe holds the seat and houses a lithium-ion 12-volt battery to run standard accessories and a cellular connectivity module atop it. All ride a perfectly standard-looking fuel tank, which isn't a tank at all but a storage area with 2 USB ports, and in a separate section the main charger port. Level 2 charging comes standard in the base configuration. A suite of top-shelf tech bolsters the looks and up-spec componentry, like a fully adjustable 43mm Showa BPSFF fork at the front end with a 40mm piggyback monoshock outback from Showa, and also boasting full adjustability. Number 4. The 2020 Zero FX. It is an electric dual-sport motorcycle that is powered by Zero Z-Force powertrain. It has a claimed range of 46 city miles and 28 highway miles at 55 miles per hour, and a claimed top speed of 85 miles per hour. Interested buyers in the base model, equipped with a ZF 3.6 modular battery, will spend $8,995. Investing in the larger capacity ZF 7.2 battery will cost an additional $2,000 but boosts the range significantly. The single-speed transmission makes this EV a valid option for those navigating technical off-road terrain because the managing clutch technique is unnecessary. Just twist your wrist and go. Number 5. Segway 9-bot electric dirt bike motocross. We saved this one for last, although it's not a motorcycle. It just looks like a whole lot of fun, a dirt bike with an electric motor innovation at its slick point to go off-road riding on. For all interested in this off-road of fun, more information on purchasing will be in the link below in the comments section. Well, let's get into some details about this heap of fun. Superior off-road performance. With a 280-watt motor, Segway 9-bot dirt electric bike X160 can reach a top speed of 31.1 miles per hour, travel up to 40.4 miles, climbing a slope of 35 degrees. With peak torque of 23.6 feet to pound, X160 is ready to sprint from 0 to 31 miles per hour in just 4.02 seconds. Limitless range and power. Battery is swappable and can be exchanged for a new fully charged battery in seconds. Only weighs 105.8 pounds, being lightweight. It is made to accompany fearless riders to power through more tough terrains unknown. Innovative and superior technology, X160 can be paired with the Segway 9-bot app to track riding stats. A dual-drive system enhances the overall torque power of wheels. Superior shock reduction is designed to make off-roading powerful yet comfortable, easy to master. Mechanical drum and back shell regenerative electric brake provide the greatest stability and steerability. Confidently explore all off-road terrains when you have field-oriented controls that stabilize and adapt to users' riding habits. Highly customizable. Compatible with almost all bike parts, X160 can be easily refitted to your individual needs with endless possibilities. That's our 5 picks of electric motorcycles. Thank you for watching, and please watch out for our next video on TWTAI.